Student friends, this is your YouTube channel. So to learn chemistry in very simple language, subscribe it and tell to others to subscribe.
So today we'll discuss regarding how to calculate the density of crystal or density of unit cell. The topic is density of unit cell. Actually, this is the only equation on which there is always question. एक ही ऐसा इक्वेशन है ये वाला डेंसिटी का, एक ही फार्मूला है जिसके ऊपर हमेशा क्वेश्चन आता है। 2 मार्क का है, 1 मार्क का है, कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन तो आपको पक्का आएगा। तो डेंसिटी, यू नो वेरी वेल, डेंसिटी ऑफ एनीथिंग वी कैन कैलकुलेट बाय नोइंग द वैल्यू ऑफ मास एंड वॉल्यूम। You know, mass upon volume is the density. Means the density of unit cell. If we want to calculate the density of unit cell, we must know the mass of unit cell. And the unit cell are of 3 types, having different number of atoms. So mass of unit cell means mass of one atom multiplied by total number of atom in the unit cell. So before calculating this, we should know mass of one atom. Mass of one atom, that is equal to m, and this mass of one atom is equal to molar mass upon Avogadro number. So this is the mass of one atom. And volume, all unit cell are cubic in structure. So the volume of cube is equal to volume of cube is equal to age cube. If the age length is a, then a cube is volume. So now by this formula, the density of unit cell, that is equal to mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. So the mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms in unit cell multiplied by mass of one atom. This upon volume of unit cell. So how we get the formula number of atoms in unit cell? If you designate it by Z into mass of one atom is m upon Avogadro number to volume of unit cell, that is a cube. So the formula of density, that can be written as rho. So this is the formula for density, where Z is the number of atom, m is the molar mass, a is the density, a is the age length, that a is equal to age length. This age length is always in picometer or centimeter. So the picometer, 1 picometer is equal to 10 to power minus 10 centimeter. This is the conversion. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to power 10 centimeter, and 1 picometer is equal to 10 to power minus 12 meter. But we need this. Most of the time we have to calculate the value in the centimeter. So the formula of density, this is density, this is number of atoms, this is mass of molar mass of atom, this is age length, this is Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.023 times 23.
Before starting any numerical, we should know all these formulae about all the types of unit cell, how to calculate the value of radius, how to calculate the value of age length, and what is the percentage efficiency number of atoms. So this table you should remember at any cost.
So let us start numerical on the base of density. See this numerical in iron crystal, that is BCC unit cell. We have to calculate the radius of iron. If age length is this, so age length is given and BCC is given. So while solving any numerical, you have to keep in mind, किसी भी हालत में आपको एक बात ध्यान रखना है कि न्यूमेरिकल को एक बार पढ़ना है, पढ़ने के बाद नहीं समझ में आए दोबारा पढ़ना उसको। जैसे दोबारा पढ़ो आप तो सबसे पहले गिवन लिखो, सेकंड टाइम पढ़ेंगे आयरन क्रिस्टलाइजिंग बीसीसी, इट मीन्स यूनिट सेल इक्वल टू बीसीसी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इक्वल टू जेड इक्वल टू 2, ये लिखना है। कैलकुलेट द रेडियस ऑफ एफ मीन्स रेडियस आर यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट क्वेश्चन मार्क atom if age length of unit cell, that is this much, A is equal to 286 picometer. So this picometer, if simple radius is asked, so you are not supposed to change this picometer into centimeter, कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। और इसके पहले एक आपको पूरा स्क्वायर में एक टेबल दिया हुआ था, उस टेबल में सब कुछ लिखा है। If you want to calculate the value of radius of body center cubic unit cell, we have the formula. That formula is A is equal to, करो यार, A is equal to 4 R by root 3. This is the formula of age length. We know age length, so from the value of, from this formula we can able to calculate this R. R is equal to A root 3 upon 4. So we have this value, हमारे पास ये वैल्यू है, A is equal to, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल में क्या करते, बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते रहते हैं हम लोग, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है। ये वैल्यू सबके सब जो है ना, 283, 286 एंड 2 रूट 3 अपॉन 4, ये वैल्यू पुटअप करना है। पुटअप करने के बाद जो भी आंसर आएगी वो आएगी आपके आंसर। लास्ट आंसर इज आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन 123.8 पिकोमीटर। दिस इज द लास्ट आंसर, सो कैलकुलेट करना है। दिस इज सेकंड न्यूमेरिकल। सो व्हाट इज देयर इन द न्यूमेरिकल? एलिमेंट हैविंग बीसीसी ज्योमेट्री हैज द मास 50 mu. Calculate the density of unit cell if age length is 290 picometer. What we have to do while reading second time? We have to write given. It's very important that you have to write given. What is given here? An element having BCC geometry means unit cell is equal to BCC. Therefore, number of atom is equal to 2. Has the mass. That mass is 50 mu. Mass is given. Calculate the density means rho we have to calculate. And if the age length is given means A is given 290 picometer. So first we need to convert this 290 picometer into 290 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. And what we have to calculate? Density. We know the formula for calculation of the density. The density can be calculated. The formula of density, rho is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Na. This is Avogadro number. This is the formula. And in this formula, what we need and what we have to calculate the density. Z we know, M we know, A cube we know, the value of A is there, and Avogadro number. Put all the value, सभी वैल्यूज में पुट अप करो. 2 into 50 upon this 290 into 10 to the power minus 10 cube into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. सभी वैल्यू पुट अप करो, स्लोली कैलकुलेट करो. So when you calculate slowly, you will get the last answer, that is 6.8 into 6.8, and you have to write down its unit of density, that is gram per centimeter. The next numerical is an element crystallized in FCC unit cell of edge length is given. Calculate the density if 200 gram of element have this much of the atom. Okay, so while reading second time we have to write given. What is given? An element crystallized in FCC means unit cell is equal to FCC is equal to Z equal to 4. Then edge length is equal to A, and that is equal to 200 picometer. Edge length given, that is 200 picometer. Then calculate its density, means rho we have to calculate. And if 200 gram of element have this much of the atom, means we need the value of M. But what is given in background? 200 gram contain 24 into 10 to the power 23 atom. 200 ग्राम मध्ये 200 ग्राम में इतने हैं, तो एवोगाड्रो नंबर में कितने होंगे? तो 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 में कितने होंगे? सिंपल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी करते हैं तो भी अपना आंसर आ जाएगा. सो इतने में इतने, तो इतने में कितने? सो यू विल गेट द आंसर 50. ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा इसका 50. 4 टाइम्स है 23 4 टाइम्स रहेगा, आंसर है 50. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ m, you get the value of m is equal to 50. So we want to calculate the density. So formula of density is equal to z into m upon again a cube into Avogadro number. So the z is given, m is given, a is given, but a you need to calculate it into, convert it into centimeter. So 200 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter कन्वर्ट करना. ये सब की सब वैल्यू इसमें पुट अप करो. 4 into 50 upon a क्यूब मीन्स 200 into 10 to the power 10 का ये क्यूब रहेगा इंटू 6.023 into 10 to 23. इसको आपको थोड़ा सा इसमें प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा या फिर लॉग टेबल आपको देखना पड़ेगा और स्लोली यू विल गेट द आंसर हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट. सो लास्टली when you calculate it, you will have the answer 41.6 and that density is equal to gram per centimeter. So this is the last answer. It's very simple. So next numerical is the density of chromium metal is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. The edge length of unit cell is 289 picometer. What you have to determine, what type of unit cell, that is the type of unit cell you have to determine if the atomic mass is given. So type of unit cell, that gives the idea from the number of atoms. Number of atoms अगर मालूम हो तो अपने को types of unit cell पता है. So while reading second time we have to write given. So what is given here? The density of chromium metal, density is equal to 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. The edge length of unit cell A is equal to 289 picometer, and that you have to calculate 289 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter. ये साथ साथ ही कर लेना फटाफट. And determine the types of unit cell, means types of unit cell, means we can write z equals to question mark, z मिल गया तो यूनिट सेल का पता चल गया, z equal to question mark and mass that is equal to 52. So what formula we require, अपने को फार्मूला कौन सा चाहिए, फार्मूला एक ही है, डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू सेम z इंटू m upon a cube into m. So this is the formula. What is given here? This density is given. एक एक देखते हैं ना, डेंसिटी दिया हुआ है, a की वैल्यू दी हुई है, मास दिया हुआ है, अगर नंबर पता है z, तो इसको z के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. इफ z इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज दैट, रो इनटू a क्यूब into n upon m. So we have to put all the value. So the value put up to 7.2 into 289 into 10 to the power minus 10 cube into 6.0 10 to the power 23 upon m is equal to 52. So put up all the value. Correctly calculate. धीरे धीरे उसको लॉग टेबल से आप लोग कैलकुलेट कीजिए and you will get the last answer, that is 2. So the value of z is equal to 2. It means that the unit cell is BCC. Okay.
किसी भी प्रकार का न्यूमेरिकल आए, सबसे पहले गिवन लिखना, उसके बाद रिक्वायर्ड फार्मूला लिखना, और ये जो भी दिया हुआ है टेबल में इसको भूलना नहीं. चाहे आपको डेंसिटी पूछे, चाहे आपको एटम का नंबर पूछे मतलब यूनिट सेल पूछे, चाहे आपको वॉल्यूम पूछे, चाहे आपको एज लेंथ पूछे, लेकिन कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल को शांति से पढ़ना और गिवन लिखने के बाद उसको सॉल्व करना. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.